Is it time to buy or sell AEye stock? In this video, we are diving deep into AEye. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 30th of July, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AEye stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 25th of June 2025, our system has identified AEye as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.31. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 339.85% since we first categorized AEye as a buy candidate 25 days ago. This corresponds to an average return of 13.59% each day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating further increases are likely within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 58.66% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 43.30% to positive 104.19%. When we consider the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 4.97%. Our calculations suggest that the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 88.21% and positive 20% over the coming year. In practical terms, this would place the future price somewhere between 414 ten-thousandths and $4.21. Our latest daily update for AEye focuses on the headline, High Volatility in AEye Inc. stock price on Wednesday, which ended trading at $3.51. The AEye Inc. stock price increased by 3.24% on the last trading day, Wednesday, the 30th of July, 2025, rising from $3.40 to $3.51. During that day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 29.05%, with a low of $3.15 and a high of $4.07. The price has shown considerable variability during this period, reflecting a gain of 231.13% over the last 2 weeks. The trading volume also saw an increase, with 470,000 more shares exchanged compared to the previous day. In total, 30 million shares changed hands for approximately $105,370,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $6.44, while the lowest was 49 cents. Currently, the price stands at 45.50%, or $2.93 below the 52-week high, and 99.19%, or $431.19 below the all-time high recorded on January 14, 2021, when the price peaked at $434.70. AEye Incorporated, trading under the ticker symbol LIDR, has made notable progress in the market recently. The company announced that it has regained compliance with Nasdaq's minimum bid price requirement, with its shares trading above $1 for at least 10 consecutive days. This regulatory compliance is critical, as it protects LIDR's listing on the Nasdaq, likely enhancing investor confidence in the short term. Furthermore, LIDR's stock has seen an impressive surge, tripling in value in just 1 week, primarily due to its partnership with NVIDIA. This collaboration has integrated AEye's Apollo LIDR system into NVIDIA's Drive AGX platform, strategically positioning LIDR within the autonomous vehicle sector. Such advancements not only increase LIDR's market visibility, but also create opportunities for potential contracts with major automotive manufacturers, reinforcing long-term growth prospects. Looking ahead, AEye is scheduled to release its second quarter financial results on July 31st, which could further affect stock performance. The momentum from positive partnerships and market compliance may drive LIDR's stock price higher, but analysts remain cautiously optimistic, balancing the company's growth against its early-stage revenue and modest market capitalization. Ongoing developments will be closely observed, as they could significantly influence AEye's valuation in the ever-evolving LIDR technology landscape. Analyst Ratings. On Tuesday, the 26th of October, 2021, it was reported that Roth Capital assigned LIDR a buy rating with an initialize action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to AEye stock. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. In terms of return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for AEye. The AEye Inc. stock shows buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected at levels of $2.93 and $1.36. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Moreover, a buy signal is present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Notably, volume is increasing alongside the price, which is typically regarded as a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, July 25, 2025, and thus far, the stock has decreased by 20.86%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence, a buy signal. Pivots, a sell signal occurred 4 days ago. Bollinger, a buy signal was noted 173 days ago. Short-term moving average, a sell signal was issued 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, a sell signal was recorded 28 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals, short moving average, a sell signal was noted 28 days ago. Long-term moving average, a buy signal, occurred 40 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 36 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for AEye. AEye Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $3.40. And this level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating a high level of volatility. And due to a considerable prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is categorized as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 92 cents between its high and low, which represents a change of 29.05%. In the past week, the stock has recorded an average daily volatility of 55.5%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for AEye, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important measure compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even established companies can face downturns, typically due to factors beyond their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profit and could indicate potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of the year, 2025, is expected on the 31st of July, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for AEye. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for AEye is at $4.05. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, AEye encounters its first support level at $3.40. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for AEye from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 24th of July, 2025, Dusan Luis conducted an insider sale of 3,000 shares of common stock. On the 24th of July, 2025, Dusan Luis conducted an insider sale of 3,000 shares of common stock. On the 15th of July, 2025, Hughes Andrew S. conducted an insider sale of 416 shares of common stock. On the 15th of June, 2025, Hughes Andrew S. conducted an insider sale of 416 shares of common stock. On the 15th of May, 2025, Tierney Connor B. conducted an insider sale of 2,788 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of negative 9.212. Overall, insiders purchased 1,957,964 shares and sold 3,669,873 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $3.32, reflecting a decrease of 5.52%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, indicating a high level of risk. A sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 3 days ago. Is AEye stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, combined with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current price level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for AEye Inc. stock to perform well in the near future. After evaluating the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the last day of July, we anticipate AEye will open higher by 6.5 cents, starting at $3.58. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.